just waving her stick. She's
protecting you.
I can protect myself.
Okay, don't walk behind me now.
Because I have a pocket knife. Because I have a pocket knife. A pocket knife is better than a stick.
Ooh, look at that big old spider.
Where? Oh, that's another banana.
We ended up staying for Hurricane Delta because we were only in the tropical storm section of the hurricane. We're going outside. Oh, it's cold. Oh, our bikes. Woo! It's really cold. I gotta take these to the laundry. Hold that.
Oh, you didn't grab the door.
Okay, so we came to do laundry. Our window is leaking, and we can't figure out why. We've sealed a bunch of times, and nope. And so we have minimal towels, so we switched out the towels and came outside. But we wanted to come outside anyway, so I threw the towels in. Now we're gonna go out again. Okay. Make sure you get to the door. Will, this way. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm like sinking.
Mushy, 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 mushy. Mushy, mushy. Yes,
Oh, the rain like hurts your skin. It's really cold.
Oh!
It's so cold. Will wants to stay outside. I'm freezing.
I'm not. I'm still pretty warm.
The wind just picked up so much. Billy already went back in. He's talking to us from the window. Will's out here, and look at this wind.
Hi, Daddy. You watching us? What?
I know. It hurts. I know.
I'm afraid the wind will bend me over.
Ready? Tell Dad to get the door ready. We're going for it. Oh, it hurts. Well, look how soaked you are. Thankfully, we made it through with minimal damage. We just had some leaking in the bus and we lost our solar shower tent, so we had to order a new one. But other than that, everything was fine and the next day was beautiful.
What do you got, dude?
Nothing.
Oh.
Oh, got your gas up. The bike on that trip.
A hard head.
Come in a little bit.
That's softer than the long thin one.
Okay, some of it home slow. Watch out with your gas.
Here we go. Better.
It needs like a bucket or something. Dad, hurry and run and grab my white bucket.
Look at them. Where are they?
I don't know, but you're gonna hurt him. Come, little baby. Oh, this guy's still stuck.
Here. doing tricks.
Where?
Look at all of them.
Oh, yep. We'll just walk
Look,
through.
he's right there. Probably his third, fourth season, maybe. Heck, I bet there was hooks on it.
What'd we just find?
Alligator trail.
Oh boy.
Right into the water. It's not creepy at all.